Harsh मेरा दोस्त है.
Okay. All right. So, what we gonna order today?
You know what I've had?
All right.
I'm having one aloo gobi.
Aloo gobi. Yeah.
दोस्त ना रहा.
मैं तो देख के शौक हो गया कनाडा में. मुझे एक ऐसा कैनेडियन बंदा मिला है जो कि वाइट है और जो कि हिंदी बोलता है. जी हाँ, चलिए मिलाता हूँ आपसे. दोस्तों, अभी हम जा रहे हैं रेस्टोरेंट एंड पहली बार मैं जा रहा हूँ ग्रिन्सबी में. कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप बताइए थोड़ा.
हर्ष मेरा दोस्त है.
ओके.
हर्ष मेरा पोता है.
ओह, पोता है.
नहीं जिम चाचा.
जिम चाचा हैं जी. तो हमको जिम चाचा जो है वो आज लेके जा रहे हैं ग्रिन्सबी में. कौन से रेस्टोरेंट लेके जा रहे हैं?
जी, ग्रिन्सबी में है.
ग्रिन्सबी में
जी.
क्या नाम है रेस्टोरेंट का?
इंडिया हट.
इंडिया हट. देखिए, सो मेरा एक सवाल है. हाउ लाइक यू फैमिलियर टू हिंदी लाइक?
It is a long story. I have first I met people from India. They came to my small hometown. And they were working with Atomic Energy of India.
Atomic Energy, okay.
And they came under the old Colombo plan.
Okay.
And they were living in this small community in the middle of winter. Bahut baraf.
Okay.
Thanda hai.
Thanda hai, right?
So
Very
I told them, Surya, do not wear chappals in the snow. Do not wear chappals in the hima? Snow? How would you say snow?
Sorry, snow?
Snow?
Like we call it like barf.
Barf.
Yeah.
Barf.
बहुत बर्फ है या ठंडा है.
Barf.
Yeah.
Like
बहुत
that.
सर्दी है. सर्दी. We call it सर्दी also. Yeah.
So I became like a bridge.
Okay.
Between them and my community.
Oh.
And then I learned a lot about Hindustan,
Bharat.
India.
Okay.
And अभी
Yeah.
भारत मेरे दिल में है.
दिल में है. वाह. जी, और कनाडा भी मेरे दिल में है. लाइक मुझे yes, I like this country because there's a lot of diversity here I see.
जी सर.
And the Canadians are very friendly, you know.
कभी
Yeah. कभी yeah. कभी. So I see like mix of variety here. Like, you know, like firstly when I came here I was like just curious like what is the Canadian culture actually. When I talk to people like different countries, Mexican, you know, some people are like Chinese, Japanese, everybody is different. So therefore I understand it's a country of immigration, right?
It is
basically.
like this. If you come to Canada,
Yeah.
Canada is the world.
It's the word, yeah.
खेल खत्म हो गया. जी हाँ.
So what's your favorite Indian food which you like?
I'm having it now.
What
are my favorites?
Can I guess?
You can try.
All right. So
Ek to teen
all right.
guesses.
All right. So first guess is butter chicken with naan.
Nahi.
All right. Second is okay. Second is dal and roti.
Nahi.
Okay. So what's that?
It's a vegetable.
Oh, it's a vegetable. Okay. Bhindi ki sabji.
Nahi.
Okra. No.
Nahi.
Oh, okay.
But
So
all those things I love.
Oh, you love?
But ekdam aloo gobi.
Aloo gobi. Oh my God. Yeah. You know, I also love that. Like my mom used to make it like once per week. I really like them. You like spices also?
Thoda medium here. I can tolerate a lot of spice, but it's not necessary to have a lot of spice to have good flavor.
Good flavor. Okay. Yeah. So you like little spice, like medium,
medium.
Yeah.
I like also biryani.
Biryani, yeah. It's very popular dish from south.
South, yes.
From southern part of India.
And I like South Indian food as well.
Oh, nice.
Like dosa in Italy.
Yeah.
But also I like okra, that is bindi.
Bindi, yeah.
A lot. I love bindi. And stuffed paratha.
Oh my God, you like parathas also?
Oh yeah, paratha. But you're from Rajasthan.
I am from Rajasthan.
So what is the most famous dish from Rajasthan?
It's the most famous dishes. Like there are various dishes like we used to have, but we used to celebrate like our Rajasthani food is like dal bati churma.
Okay.
So we just
It's a
had,
dal.
it's a dal with the churma. Like we had like the whole wheat balls.
Yes.
We put it on tandoor
Oh.
and we just crush it, and we
Crush it,
put
yeah.
the dal into that, and we just put some ghee. Oh my god, it's so delicious. This is one of the like popular dish, but there's a very, this is like besan ke gatte, like besan ke gatte and papad ki sabji. Like there's a papad, you know that, right?
Papad, huh?
Right, papad. So we made a curry like with that. So this
Yeah.
is very popular in Rajasthan.
Hey.
But I am from a small town like called Jaisar,
Uh-huh.
and I am Sindhi by religion,
Uh-huh.
but I am Hindu. So we have also like different kind of dishes like we used to eat. Like so in my like religion, the famous dish is like kadhi, like Sindhi
Curry.
Yeah, normal
Curry
kadhi.
that is difficult to make.
It's very
It takes
difficult.
it-
Yeah,
You have to do it slowly.
very slowly.
Stirring.
Yeah.
But it's very, as we say in English, comfort food.
Comfort food. Yeah, it's like soup
Aha,
with
sauce.
vegetables. Yeah.
With vegetables and
Yeah.
with also like some like leftover samosas in that you can put sometimes.
Oh yeah. We can put anything like in
it's
that
a
curry.
base, a base.
Yeah, it's like
So-
we can mix it anything to make it more tasty.
Are you Suno?
Sorry,
Suno? Suniye.
Sunia. Yes, I'm listening. Yeah.
If you were going home now to your town
Okay.
and you're going into your mother's house into her kitchen,
Yeah.
it's been a long time and you're hungry.
Yeah.
What do you ask for her to prepare for you?
Oh, I just said like if I want like just like make it in minutes.
Yes.
All right. So I will tell my mom just because I love dals actually.
Dals, okay.
It's my favorite food, comfort food. I eat every single day.
Acha.
Once in a like most probably sometimes in dinner or lunch. So I tell my mother to make dal for me and with rice or roti. She
Acha.
made it like in 20 minutes.
Aha.
Yeah, because she's cooking from.
Moong dal?
I like
Any dal?
any dal I like, but my favorite is moong dal. Yeah.
Moong dal, okay.
Moong dal is very light to stomach.
You said Sindhi,
I am Sindhi by religion.
but Sindhi is also people from Pakistan.
Oh my God, how do you know about that?
Oh, I know.
You know everything, right?
So did your people come from Pakistan?
Yeah, my
Pakistan?
community come from like Pakistan.
From
And
Sindh.
this-
From Sindh.
from
Sindh.
Sindh. Wow, yeah, you know
So
that?
yeah, and then settled in Rajasthan.
Yeah.
Acha.
So actually, what happened? Like, there's a partition. Like,
I know briefly
Yeah,
about
you
that.
know everything, I think, right?
Yes.
So, yeah. So
That was a hard time.
that was a hard time, but my ancestors are very strong. They built everything. So in our veins, we did business.
Ah.
So-
So what is your family business?
So my father has a like convenience store in India.
Uh-huh.
So we had like like good staff, and he's doing it fantastically, from last 20 years.
So
Convenience
your
store.
family is very good in business.
Yeah. So I also.
So that means you are a Gujarati.
Yeah. Actually, Gujaratis are also very, sharp-minded.
They are known for that.
Yeah. But I came here just to Canada for exploration, just to learn like how this big businesses operate. So after that, I will definitely do my own business.
Acha.
I don't do job for a lifetime.
I understand.
Yeah, because it's in my veins,
And your blood.
in my blood. Yeah. So definitely, I will do that. I will pursue the business more.
Ah.
But by job, I also learn how to manage people. How to deal with a lot
it's
of
all
things.
important experience.
Yeah. So Canada teaches me a lot from last 3 years. Honestly, it makes my like graph like this.
Ah.
Because that's why I like about Canada. It teaches me
Yes.
everything. Yeah,
There is opportunity.
a lot of opportunities if we see a lot of.
So, your parents are with us still. How many brothers and sisters do you?
So I have one sibling.
Huh?
Yeah. So I have one sister.
Choti Behan?
Choti Behan. Wow.
Oh my God. But in the home,
Yeah.
you speak Hindi, but do your parents still speak Sindhi?
Yeah.
Such?
Yeah, so there's a like funny story behind that. When they put me on school, so what happened? My principal said like, what this guy is talking? Like I do not understand anything. What the hell is going on? So me and I have a cousin. So we both like got admission in same school. So my principal was like, he was like, tell my parents, like we had a parents meeting. So he said directly, like, you need to speak to your kids like in Hindi, because they speak Hindi, we don't understand any single word.
Yes.
Because
few words, but
no, yeah. So what happened? My parents talked to me in Hindi, and then what happened? My mother tongues become Hindi more rather than Sindhi. But I know Sindhi, so I speak. But I listen. I know everything. But my parents right now, because it got subconsciously,
I had a very good friends many years ago now.
Yeah.
And they're from India.
Okay.
And the husband was Suresh.
He
was Maharashtrian.
Okay.
Was Sindhi.
Oh.
And her family also came from, but it's now Pakistan.
Pakistan, okay.
So there's a big story there.
Yeah.
But I thought all this time, Harsh, that you were Rajput. But you're not Rajput.
No. So how do you feel that I'm Rajput?
Well, you're from Rajasthan.
Oh, that's why.
Yes.
Yeah. There's a lot of kings in my province, so yeah.
Yes.
It's most famous for that. Yeah. We have 140 plus languages in my country, and I know 5 to 6. So
in Rajasthan, they speak Hindi.
They speak Hindi, Punjabi, Magadhi, Rajasthani.
Okay, so what is Rajasthani?
So Rajasthani is different language, yeah. So it's
really?
like, yeah. And there's like traditional songs that are totally different. Even though I'm living in Rajasthan, but I follow my culture properly.
Yes, each part of Rajasthan will be slightly different.
Different, yeah.
Like Jodhpur, Jaipur.
Oh my God, you know the cities also. That's good.
So, and Kota.
Kota, I lived there for 1 year.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's where my friends who worked for Indian Atomic Energy in India, they went there and built the nuclear power facilities there after they learned how to do that when they were in Canada. So there's a connection.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a long time ago. That is in 1960s.
Okay.
So I just knew them because they were in my community. And that's the first time I tasted Indian food.
Oh, nice.
All of that. So it all started there.
So what's your favorite, first dish that you tasted?
It was dal.
Dal, right? Yeah, that's good.
With chawal.
Chawal, yeah. That's the comfort food. I really like that. It makes a good combo. And so, what's your favorite dal
Well, actually, it's not dal, but it's like dal. It's like chana,
chana dal. Yeah.
Chana dal.
Yeah.
Okay. That's my favorite.
Yeah, I also like chana dal. I eat once in a week for sure because I eat dal every day, so I changed my language because there's a lot of
So
variety.
you're preparing your food yourself?
I prepared by myself. I tell you, when I came here, I don't know cooking. Yes, because my mom cooks for me from the last. Because I came in 2023. So from the last 23 years, my mom cooks for me. So what happened before I came to Canada? I just got some classes from my mom how to cook. But if you see in Indian food, it's mostly onion, tomato curry, right?
That's right.
With spices.
Basic.
So I learned the basics from my mom.
Pyaj
And what do you call? I wanted to know what to say tomato in English. Tomato. Yeah, you're right. So pyaj and tomato. But right now we are going to restaurant. But I will promise you right now in this video, I will cook for you.
Saj?
Yeah, and you will taste it and let me know.
Zarur?
Yeah. And have you tried cooking by yourself, like the Indian food or something?
Constantly I make Indian food.
Oh, constantly?
Yes.
So what dishes you make?
I like aloo gobi. I make
aloo gobi, right?
Yes. I make biryani. I make I make curries. I don't know. Are you vegetarian only?
No. Actually, I eat both.
Achha.
So when I came here, because in my Rajasthan there's a 45 degrees Celsius temperature, and sometimes goes to 50. So I like to prefer vegetarian. But when I came to Canada, I see this country sucks. The winter. Oh my God! In September, after landing here, in 10 days I got sick.
such.
Because the people are wearing shorts at the time.
Yeah.
And I was feeling like that, you know, I was
Oh,
shivering.
no.
So therefore I decided, like, you know,
Because your blood is still thin.
Thin,
You had
yeah.
not adapted.
Yeah.
And it takes a while.
Yeah.
So, I know. For me, cold is not a big thing. Like, I go for a month every year to a country called Costa Rica. And it is just like Kerala. Okay, the same. Humidity, hot. Okay, for me, that's difficult without some air conditioning. But you get used to it.
Yeah.
But I tell my friends there, I said, look, in Canada it can be cold, but you can put more layers on you.
Yeah.
But if it's hot, I can't take my skin off.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have also a garden, so I grow a lot of
Oh, you have
vegetables
garden
there.
also, nice.
So every day I have fresh vegetables. I make salad or bindi or
Nice.
Beetroot,
Beetroot, yeah.
tomatoes,
Oh, nice.
different kinds of beans,
Beans, yeah.
like nice beans. Oh, delicious. I love that.
Nice.
Achha.
All right, let's go to the restaurant.
Okay.
Nice.
But I know what I'm going to have. You have.
All right, so what we gonna order today?
You know what I'm having.
All right.
I'm having my aloo gobi
Aloo gobi, yeah. Okay.
with naan.
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 Okay.
Thank you.
So this is your favorite food, aloo
One of
gobi.
them, definitely.
That's good. So मैंने आज मंगाया बटर चिकन. I don't know like but मैंने यार काफी दिन से खाया नहीं था. Do you understand what I'm speaking?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, a little bit. Sort
Yeah,
of.
and also रायता जो मैं खाता हूँ like ये हमने नान मंगाया है और तंदूरी रोटी मंगाई है. So guys अभी just हम खाना खा के आए हैं इंडियन हट से. We ate a very good dinner. Now we are going back. डिनर कर लिया है and मेरे को भी क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आया. I was really shocked. He's speaking so good Hindi in front of me.
Dora, hindi bolte ho.
No, not thoda. He is in intermediate level, I would say. Huh?
Jhoot hai.
No, I feel like you speak very good Hindi.
Anyone.
Yeah. Like right now, guys, I'm learning like French from A1 level to, you know, there's some levels I see there like A1, A2, B1, B2. So for me, it's also challenging, you know, like learning from alphabets and all that. So my question is to you, like how you understand like Hindi, like, you know, how, like what is the most common resource you use or
Just meeting people. Having
is the-
conversation with people.
Oh,
Yes.
every conversation. So you
Yes.
learn from that, right?
Yes.
Oh, I will also do that then.
I do not read Hindi. I do not understand the alphabet.
Okay.
But just through conversation, maybe some from films, but mostly conversation.
Mostly conversation. Yeah, that's good. And what's the first word you speak when you wanted to learn?
That I learned is namaste.
Namaste, yeah. All right. So namaste is very popular, like we say namaste, hello, right? So, what's your favorite word in Hindi?
Shanti.
Shanti, yeah. He told me like his favorite word is Shanti, yeah. My favorite word is, in English I tell you, is thank you. This is my favorite word. Like, you know, I feel definitely like gratitude, so I like thank you word a lot. And like I also want to ask you like
There's another word I like very much in Hindi.
yeah,
Priya.
oh nice. It's the most popular girl's name
Oh, okay.
in
Darling.
like, in Hindi.
Darling.
Like darling. Priya is like love, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of Priyas in India.
Yeah.
A lot of lovers of Priya.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's your favorite film like in like Hindi, like
I like Devdas.
Devdas? Oh, nice.
Yes.
You like Shah Rukh Khan?
Yes, but I like. Oh yes, but I like Rai. What's her name? The Indian actress. She is amazing.
Aishwarya Rai.
Ashwarya Rai.
Oh, nice.
She is also from Mysore.
So you listen Kajra Re, tere gaale gaale. Sing the song.
Dost na raha, pyare na raha, zindagi hame tera ek मारना रहा दोस्त दोस्त ना.
This is a song on friendship. Guys, like you see,
I know the story
he
behind
knows
it. He
how-
has returned back.
Yeah.
He is a pilot fighting against Pakistan.
yeah,
They thought he is lost,
okay.
and his best friend becomes the new lover of his girlfriend.
Oh,
That is why it's like dost,
dost na raha,
pyari, pyari, rara.
na rahi. Like you know, a lot of
Life has forsaken me.
Lo-
Zindagi,
lo-
life has forsaken me.
yeah.
It's sad. Khel khatam ho gaya.
खेल खत्म हो गया. Yes. I also wanted to sing a song right now. It's very popular in friendship. It's ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. So it means like it's a very good like bond in friendship. It's like Amitabh and Dharmendra. वो वक्त आ चुका है जाने का
जाने का.
कि मुझे जो है लाइक यू नो जिम जी को अभी टाटा बाय बाय कहना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मुझे अभी घर जाना है. It was my first time to see a white guy speaking Hindi. Like it's totally amazing, fantastic experience in my life which I ever did. I would say
एकदम है.
एकदम झकास है, एकदम झकास है. like fantastic experience. And yeah, thank you so much for coming to the vlog.
जी.
And gee, see,
हाँ जी.
yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, I would say this is me Ashwat Nani from Canada and Jim signing off. And आपको कुछ कहना है like
फिर मिलेंगे.
फिर मिलेंगे. Okay, bye.